At the core of the Ford Raptor lies engineered dominance.
A 3.5-liter high-output EcoBoost V6, twin-turbocharged and precision-tuned.
Delivering 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque.
This engine is built for instant response and relentless performance.
Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission.
Power is delivered smoothly, whether crawling over rock or charging across open desert. For those who demand more, the Raptor R unleashes a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, producing an incredible 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just an engine.
It's controlled force.
It's mechanical instinct.
Ford Raptor, power built to conquer.